What's up, everybody? Welcome to Charting Fundamentals, guys. So charting is the key to my trading, I feel, and it's definitely a key to all trading. You guys have to know what levels you guys have to look out for, what levels are strong levels, what levels are just there. So let's do some charting on my paper account here. Alrighty. If you guys have any questions, guys, on why I'm choosing something or why I'm doing it a certain style, then please don't be shy. Except you, Kevin. Shy, Kevin. All right, let's get started here. All right, so here we're gonna start off with, you know what? Let's start off with SPY first. All right. So a majority of my trading, I'm always looking at SPY, the Qs for any sort of level that they might be heading towards that could slow down my trade or reverse a trade that I'm looking at. All right, so let's start off with SPY here. All right, so I have up here the 3-year weekly chart right now. All right, so we always start with the top. That is 395.65 right here. All right. I typically make the weekly lines and the daily lines red. I try and follow a street light. Red means stop, yellow means slow down, and I do blue or white as a level that I should just watch out for. All right. So if you see my chart, they're in pre-market, right, guys? If you see a red line, that is a major support or resistance line on my charts. All right, so we start with the top first. Let's go to the bottom. It's easier like this, right? All right, and then now let's start finding some pebbles in between here now. All right, so I'm gonna choose right around here, right? This 354 area.
Okay.
354 area. Here's why I'm choosing 354, right? That heads through it, right? But it still respects it here. Here, it comes near it, right? Here, it hits it. Here, it hits it. Here, it hits it. Here, it hits it. And here, it goes through it and it still holds it. So I'm choosing the 354 level because that is the level that is the cleanest price point. Now, all my levels are not to the penny. All right. So if we just break through 354, right, it's not just going to be clear sailing, right? That 354 to 355 area, I'm still watching out for. I'm taking the trade on a break of 354, but I'm ready to close it at 355 or 353. All right, that's one level. And I see another one right here at this 320 area. You see here, right? Holds it, it respects it. Over here again, over here again. So the key to trading, right, is this for me. If I got to look really, really hard for something, right, then it's not there. The support lines should be easy to find. All right, that's one. It's two, I mean, and this area is something here. I'm gonna go with this line right here, this 295 area right here, because I feel that line right there is the most respected line, a number right there. All right, and we add one more on this weekly. Nah. All right, let's go to the 3-year 1 day now. Now the reason I do both the 3-year 1 day and the weekly, right, is you can see some more price action, right, closes on the daily, and you see at the weekly level. All right, so let's check right here. What do we see? Anything?
What about 280? See,
280? Not just yet. Not just yet. I will add one right around 342. It's more like 340. 340 I like better. 340 right there. I will add one right around here as well. Right there. All right. 280 I do like, but I don't like it too much on, well, yeah. Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. It had to back towards here. All right, that's another one. And I'm going to add it right around this level here. Any questions on why I chosen these levels right now?
I have a quick question, Z.
All right.
For 340, I like one thing that I'm noticing is the last two levels that you put at 340 and I think around 375 is where the SMA heads to, right? Is that a coincidence, or is that something you're looking for?
Say it again.
So is that a coincidence that like around around 340 we're seeing like the 50 SMA, right? The 50 SMA hit a couple of times. Are we looking? Do you use like where the SMA hits?
No.
Or like where? No. Okay.
Not at all. As a matter of fact, we take that off. I'm just looking at pure price action right now. Now, for my trading, for my planning of trades, I will stare at that on Sundays. Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. When I'm game planning, I have up to 50 and 200 up. Just to actually see, to start the weekend. So I want to see where they're at. Right? All right. Actually, I think we have another one right here too now that I'm looking at it. See right there? So it hits it right here, right? Get a little closer here, right? So we hit it right here. Here, 3, 4, 5, 6 times, 7 times, 8 times, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 times. So you say 14 right there also. She tried to drop and she held. Again. So that 365 to 364 is a level that we need to watch out for on a future drop. All right. And that's all that I am seeing on here. Again, guys and girls, if you have to stare at something for too long, right? Trying to find something, then there is nothing there. I could choose, right? Here. I could choose here. But you're just complicating your charting here now, right? Only choose levels, right, that have a lot of traction, a lot of rejections or support, and the levels that you would trade. All right. I'm going to see why as I head in more. Right. All right. Now let's go to the 180-day and 4-hour chart here. All right. Again, same mentality. If you got to stare at it too long, it is not there. All right. I see one small one right here. And I make this chart, right? Yellow. All right. So red means it's a strong support level. Yeah. Yellow means it's a medium support level. It's telling me slow down. Here's telling me stop. All right. Got that right there. Do we have this right here as well? No, it's an untradeable level. Well, no. Actually, I do like this level right here. I do like it, and I'll show you why I like that level right there. All right, so if you zoom in here, right, the break of this 386 level, right, we have a trade down here. Now, if I bring up the hourly chart and I'm seeing it not respected at all, and I'm seeing another level respected more, I will change it. All right, that's that one. Scroll back out. If you guys have any questions, guys, ask. Don't be shy. All right, that's it. So I see that. All right, let's go down to the 30-day 1 hour here. See what we see here now. All right. So I will add one right around do this wick right here. Any questions why I chose that for? All right, so here's what I chose that here for instead of right here. Now here is a stronger level, right? Stronger level. It hits hit 4 times here, right? But will you trade the break of 370 towards 368 right here? I'm not. So I draw lines of what I would trade. All right, you got that there. I'm gonna add right here as well, this 393 area that is strong. Edit. Blue. There. We also have.
Hey Z, I got a question.
Go ahead, say your name first.
Bijan. So as you, let's just say you're charting on the weekly and the daily, a higher time frame, are you looking for support and resistance lines at the candle close or more so the wicks? And then as you move in to a more intraday level,
I am not biased towards that. I'm looking for a level that has a lot of candles hitting, not just heading through, right?
mm-hmm.
Well, like say right here, right? Stay here, right? I'm not going to choose right here. It has it's hit throughout there, right? I want to choose a level that's being held or rejected multiple times. So here, like right here, here's a click on it, right? Here's a candle on it. I give these two, right? That one and that one the same respect.
Okay.
All right, that's there. We have one more. Not as strong here. Not too crazy about this level here. But I'm gonna draw it here anyway, because there is a area that we do have to watch out for there. All right. Now I go down to the 10-day, 15-minute chart. See what I see here. Nothing crazy here. Nothing crazy here. I want to do one more thing here. One day. Just want to scan it from a outside view now. See what I'm seeing on a 10,000 feet level here. Now, I'm staring right now at this price action right here, right? Because here's what I care about right now is this area right now. If we start dropping, right, then I'm going to check again from here to here. Then I'm going to stop here, you know, pre-market. If I see where we're at 365, I'm going to check here in the pre-market. For now, I don't actually care what's happening here as much. I'm just drawing the levels that stand out 10,000 feet up for price action that's so far away for me. All right, so let's get back to this area here. Does anybody see something that I may have missed? Any questions you have on this chart right now? All right. Now let's look at this, right, on a closer time frame. And when I am looking for trades on supply right now, right, say tomorrow, right, pre-market 925. If I'm looking for a trade, I'm looking at the break right here of 393 towards the downside, trading this down towards first 390, 150. We actually draw a line right here, and we're gonna make this one, just make it white. And no reason. I use blue, I use white the same way. All right. And then I would try and trade it from 390, 150 down toward 390. Any questions on what I'm showing you right here?
Yeah, Z, your lines, right? Me, when I'm putting my support and my resistance, it always goes like across the screen. Like, how do you make your line shorter, like on the right hand side of the screen?
Right click it, extend left,
Okay.
or extend. I don't have it here now. I already drew it out that way, but you could just, let me show you on here. If you do this, so this, right? If you hit this and you just hit extend right or extend left.
Okay.
All right. Alrighty. So that, and I can actually draw one more here. It stands out to me right here. Draw this white. All right. Now let's go back out one time now, right? To the daily and try and find some sort of trend line, some sort of pattern out of here, right? So I'm gonna scroll in from this level here. I'm gonna bring up my trend line. It's that one right here, the /1. So I always start at the bottom of the price action of the lowest candle first, right? I hit this, I just come up, all right? I try and hit some candles here. I'm hitting right now, I think there's 5 candles. Let me change color so it stands out more. Let's go with purple. Save as default. All right. All right. Let me just add this also here, expansion. So that right here hands us that price action that's past that level right there. All right. So let's scroll in a little bit more here. Hit this again, right? And do an extend or right. So this trend line right here, at the bottom of the price action, right? It heads up, it hits this level, it holds it. Again, it hits this area, it holds it. And here also, it's holding it quite strong. Now, here's a level that I will be staring at. Stay right here. If price action hits on 316, this 384 level. I'm not going to trade it too heavy until the break of probably 382. I want that to clear through. Any questions on that trend line? Any questions on trend lines in general? Any questions why I'm so beautiful?
Hey, Z. Hey, Z, I have a question. It's Jason.
What's up, Jay?
Not a whole lot, man. How are you?
All right, brother.
Hey, so like I see your bigger picture time frames and like your trend lines. When you're basing trades too, are you looking at prior days resistance and support levels for confirmation as well?
Yes. So you see right here now, right?
Yeah.
I actually saw that here. I actually saw that one here. I didn't see it far out. So when I zoom in now, right? I'm staring at the levels that are strong. I'm not just staring at, say, you try to find something that I could show. Hold on. Let's go back 10 to 15 minutes here, right? I'm not going to choose a level here somewhere, right?
Yeah.
I'm choosing a level on the prior days that has been rejected or held strong. Right here, rejected first and held first. So the previous days. Now tomorrow, right? Tomorrow, I will trade this on a break of 393, right? But I see it held here. It held here the previous day, pre-market, and here it rejected here throughout. Right? So I'm not going to try and hold my entire trade from 393 all the way down toward 390. I'm going to hop in here. I'm taking profit around 392, 390, 175 area. I am ready to sell around here.
Yeah, I see. I mean, basically, yeah, right there off of those breakout spots, you're going to sell into that, huh?
Exactly.
If you're buying the put side.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Would you now, since it broke on the downside to that, would you size up more or would you play lower risk?
Say it again.
So since it's, because you're obviously, we'd be playing puts if it broke to 393 level. So since it broke through on the upside and then came back down to test it, but failed that test to hold that spot, would you size up or would you just go with regular, like minimize your risk?
It depends what time of the day it is.
Yeah.
If
All right.
if it's if it's say 12 o'clock, I haven't heard any catalyst on it, I will probably do a half a size
Okay.
on that drop right here, right?
Yeah.
If it's 9:45, right, and we pushed up and we start dropping, we hit it one time, we hold, and then we start dropping again, I'm going to size up on it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, for sure. There at that time in the morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
So my sizing is dependent on the level plus on the time of the day.
Okay. Cool. That makes sense. Thanks.
All right, let's go to another stock here. Let's do some more charting. Apple.
Hey Z, real quick, it's Vinny here.
What's up, Vinny?
What's up, man? So my question is, we plot out those key levels. Now, intraday, what are you looking for around those levels, and what time frame are you playing?
I stare at the from pre-market until 11 o'clock ish. I'm looking at predominantly the 3-minute charts for breaks of my levels. From 11 to 2, I would wait for the 5-minute charts to break. For planning my trade pre-market and during the market session, I am staring at the hourly, the 15-minute chart, and the 3-minute chart. Now, what I mean there is pre-market wise, right? I'm saying the break of this 396 tomorrow, I'm going to trade this heavy. If you break 396 with volume, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm staring at, well, highs are here, but let me give you a better example. Highs are can you trade breaking up all-time highs is a separate mindset that then trading the break of the range or the break of a key level that is not at the highs or at the lows.
Right.
So let's say, hold that question a second.
Okay.
All right. Let's go to here first. All right. Here's Apple. All right. So we start off with first, easiest one, all-time high, 145.09. All right. Red. Then we start at the lows. All right. All right. And now we head through top down. All right. I have a level right around here. All right. So I'm choosing this level right here, this 115 area, because it tested over here. It holds it. Here it holds it. Rejects it, rejects it, rejects it, hangs out around here. There's a lot of candles are respecting that level right around there. Here, it's through it, it holds it, wicks under it, it holds it. Here, it goes up off of it, wick, holds it, right? So that to me is telling me that line right here is a stronger area. So I start from here out now, all right? All right, let me go to the next level, which is right around 106 area. And then I'm gonna draw one more for now, right around here. And we could actually add one more, say right here. All right. Any levels you guys see that are between 90 and the highs that I haven't drawn out. All right. Let's go down to the 3-year 1 day now. All right. I'm going to do it from this level only right here for now. I'm going to draw one more line right here because it's a strong level. It hits a couple of times and holds it. I'm drawing. All right, I'm gonna come back to that in a second. Let me look a little bit closer over here. We do have one right here. It is a respectable level. This 130 area. So let me edit this and make this just 130. I tend to choose if it's 129, 120, 130, 50, 131. I will try and choose the whole number, the closest whole number. So 130 there is the closest whole number. When you're trading, right? Shares, right? Are you saying on the break of 129, I'm gonna buy shares, or are you saying on the break of 130, I'm buying shares? So the human mind heads towards the whole number. All right, that's all I see there. That's all I see there, and nothing special right here. Nothing special on the daily right there, but I will draw a gap fill right here, the rectangle. So how I do the gap fill, right, is I head to the highest price, then I go to the lowest price right here, edit it, then I choose the date. I go 3 weeks out, something like that, and I hold it right there. So we ever hit to this price, next week, the next month, I will see there is a cap fill here between 100 and 95. All right, that's there. No other levels right there. And he's back out again. Just take one more glance at this. All right, nothing that I see here. Now let's go over down to the 180-day 4-hour chart. See how clean this price action is here? Here, it holds it throughout. Breaks through, it hits it in the next level, drops right back down. It's the next level, drops back down. Here, it's that price action, and holds. All right, that's all I'm actually seeing here. Ask a question verbally. What's your strategy for entry?
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. I just joined. I don't know if you mentioned this. I'm sorry, but I'm wondering, when did you actually enter? Because I know you play breakouts, but when did you enter so it's not a fake out?
I'm gonna talk about that question later on. I'm doing a charting session right now for the Ben a trading session.
Oh, okay, my bad. I'm sorry.
No problem, brother. Alrighty here. Now we do have a level right here as well. That's standing out to me right around here. The wrong one. Back to this. Right around here, guys, is a level. This is a 4 hour, so we turn this one into yellow. All right. Now what I'm seeing here is holding here, price actions, respecting that area. Now, I draw lines on levels that I will trade, that I want to know what's there during my trading session. All right, that's one. We have another one right around here. It hits it. Yes, we do. 111 area right there. Change this to yellow. All right. And let's draw one right around here. It's far out, but is actually showing on our chart here. So we just draw it. All right. Any questions so far?
Yeah, Z, this is Bijan again. How do you chart like all-time highs and shit like that? Like, do you just go by the next whole dollar move? Like, say it breaks 145. Do you just say it's like 146 is next resistance, or how do you gauge that?
Now, every stock is different, right? So you got the all-time highs are based on that stock's price action. Now, something like here, I'm doing it every $1 up. So 145 break, I'm going to 146, 147, 148, 149, 150. Now, something like Tesla, I'm doing it every $5 up. Something like Shopify, I'm doing it every $10 up, because Shopify jumps in $10 jumps. All right, their moves are $10, up, and then a pullback, then a breakthrough, and it heads up another $10, and then it breaks through, and then it pulls back. And then it breaks through again. Tesla goes $5, rejects, $5, rejects. So each stock has its own price action. Now, well, hang on one second. All right, let me go back to that in a second. Just do this one more chart right here. Is a hourly here on Apple. I don't really see anything that. We'll do one right here. Edit this. I'll make this one blue. That's one. Over here, anything? No. Nothing else there. All right, let's look at one more chart. The 15-minute chart, and all this price action is being respected by the lines we have right now. All right, so the break of this, go to the hourly again. So trading right here now, right? Tomorrow. Now she's at right here, 124-ish area. I will adjust this and stick this at the 125 area, just because I like the whole numbers more than I like that 123.75 area. I'm not going to trade it heavy, the break of 123.75 up towards 125 anyway. So I don't have to have that line at 123 area. Now, the break of 125, I will trade heavier up towards 127.50 and 130 area. Now, price action, right? You guys have to, can you guys message me and you guys are struggling? I'm always telling you guys, choose 3 stocks first, right? Follow those 3 stocks, trade just those 3 stocks for the next few days. How do I say that for? I say that for you guys have to focus and learn the price action of the stock you're trading. You guys have to learn how the premiums will prove for you on the break of 123.75 and the break of 125. But premiums will jump for you more on the break of 125 and they're going to on the break of 123.75 for you. So turning each stock's price action and how that stock reacts to breaking through a key level, how that stock reacts to a rejection, knowing that if I take this trade here, right, as you break through, I hop in, as you pull it back, I know that if she hits this 125.25 area, 125.30 area, and then starts to pull back, right, by the time she hits that 125 area, I'm going to be down probably a good 12 cents. So I got to know what my stock is going to do on a breakthrough if I'm right, and on a rejection if I'm wrong. Any questions so far? All right, let's go back to the 3-year 1 day, and let's see if we see any trend lines. Now, same way as the support, guys. If it's not a clear a drawing, then it's not there. And here is not there. Here is 2 prices hit, 1 and 2. So I'm not going to draw that there. If we were here somewhere, beautiful line right here. But the price action has already broke through it already. So let me take this off and let me zoom in. All right, let me zoom in here. And now I'm gonna try it now from the top down. And I have one here. Right around here. See, hits it, rejects it here, rejects it a couple of times, rejects it. Now tomorrow, right? If we could close over this 125 area, right? Here somewhere. Here's where I would try and take a swing. A break of the trend line, a close on the break of a trend line, right? She's breaking the downtrend. She's holding a key area of support, right? I would enjoy it more up here somewhere at 130 because she's gonna hand me a bigger drive up towards 140, but a hold of this 125, I will do a small size swing, trying to trade up from 125 to 130. Now, if she closes at 129 area, I'm not going to swing it because that 130 is right there. The risk reward is not there for me. Any questions so far? All right, nothing. All right, let's scroll back a little bit. See if we.
Hey,
Yep.
so when you take a swing at the break of 125 and the stock holds 125, right? At that stage, where do you put your stop loss? Like if you're trying to look for you to like swing it up to like 130, how do you put your stop loss? Do you put your stop loss with a taste? Like let's say for example, you took a swing and probably the news just burst out and probably the market drops a little bit. Do you cut off the trade when it touches back the trend line?
No. If I'm swinging, right, based on the hourly chart, right? Sorry, the daily chart, right? Now, I'm saying if nothing happens, if I don't hear, the economy is going to crash. If I don't hear Apple's being sued. If I'm just trading off of price action without any sort of catalyst that could change my play, right? I am waiting for a close on the day. So say around 330 or so, right? 330, 345. If I see the daily candle is going to close under here somewhere, right? I am closing my trade. Now with my swing trades, right? I'm not swinging same week. I'm swinging 4 weeks out. If it has a swing trades are you hand yourself time. 4 weeks, 2 months, 3 months out. Now, the profits aren't as great. But the loss is contained if you hand yourself time. So if I hop in here at 126, say, right, on Tuesday, then Wednesday she's at 124 at 10 o'clock, right? I don't care about it right now. I have time. I know how my premiums are not going to bleed out on a dollar drop, a $3 drop. I hand myself time. I have time. So my IV, my premiums will hold. Now at 3:30 p.m., if I see the candle at 122, 123 area, then yes, I'm going to close it because my plan was to hold of 125 for the move up towards 130 and possibly then 140. Now, strike wise, you cannot choose a strike here, 3 weeks out, 4 weeks out of 200. You guys choose a strike of 130, a strike of 125. Possibly, if there's a volume there, a strike of 135. But choosing a strike of 145 4 weeks out or for Friday, right? It's not trading. So choosing a strike of 130 acceptable on the hold of 125. All right, that one. Second thing is, if price action closes at 139, I'm not going to take that trade because there's a level right here. So come Wednesday morning, she could hit this and drop hard towards 125 again, and then now that premium's going to drop for me, and my profit, the profit will be the same then. All right, back to charting here. All right, so that's that one. Trend line right there. So for tomorrow, I will try and scalp / pay trade the break of 125 up towards 130. Come a little closer to the hourly. And I'm going to be careful around 127. The break of 127, I will, if I don't trade it here, right? I will trade it here to here. Any questions? All righty. Let's go to tomorrow's play of the day. All right. Baidu. Go to the weekly first. All right. So we do the highs. And we could do right here. You see it, right, guys?
Yeah. So would you, in that, since it's 274, would you just round that up to 275?
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Probably draw one right here as well. A little bit low. What is this? 215, 215, 215. Right there. Holds it. It holds it. So you're trying to find levels that are respected on multiple dates. Now, I could draw lines everywhere. here. I could draw a line here. I could draw a line here. I could draw a line here. I could draw a line. Where else could I draw a line? Here. Look at this right here. Oh my gosh, he held it three times. Look at that. I would draw a line here. Oh my gosh, he hit it 3 times. Look at this. Now, who's taking a trade here? Nobody. I mean, I'm not saying nobody, but people that are trading to get profit are not trading that. I should change the color on this. I gotta take it off now. Start again. All right, remove. All right, let's go back here. Where were we? We had one right here. Nah, I like this 275. I like this 240. I like this 215 area. I will draw one right here. A little bit higher. This was this 180. I draw one at 180. I'm gonna draw one at the bottom just to have right there. Anything you guys see that I don't see? Anybody? No? All right. Let's go down to the daily chart now. All right. I'm gonna draw a line right here. If you see it, boom, respects it over here, respects it over here. Now, there is a cap fill right here, right? You see it? But it's already been filled already. So it don't matter no more. All right, that's all I see on this chart. You can do one at 200 because it's a whole number. Any questions? All right, let's go down to the 4-hour charts. Zoom in right here. See what we see here. What do I have here? All right, what do I have here? Let's go with Carlos. Find me a level. Or ignore me. Carlos, ignore me. Thank you. All right, so.
Sorry, see, I'm at work. I'm sorry.
Sorry, Rob. Sorry. All right, so there's 330 right here. It's a whole number. I'm drawing a line right there. It's been respected throughout here, right? Been respected. It's a whole number. So I'm gonna choose a 330 price here on that chart. And I will draw one at this 290 level as well. I'm gonna draw a yellow because it's a 4-hour right there.
What about 300 or no? But since it's so close to 290.
Yeah. 300 is good. Well, but that should pop up on the hourly chart, I think, more. Let me draw stick it on anyway. The yellow line. All right. Let's go down to the hourly chart here. All right. Any levels you guys see? Any tradable levels you guys see right now? All right. And it's 320 area. I'm gonna draw one here. Just because it rejects here, it slows down, rejects this area, holds this area. So I'm just drawing right there as well. This is the hourly, so I'm gonna make this one blue.
About like 345 maybe, or no?
Not just yet. I want to see that on a closer time frame so I can actually choose the price that's cleaner.
Okay.
But yeah, you I see it here now. Edit this, make this blue. So you see right here. Here it rejects it, right? Wick, and here it holds it 3 times, tries to break up through it again, and draws back to the down again. So yes, right there. Now, for tomorrow, how will you guys trade this? Let's go with, pick somebody out here. Sebastian. How you going to trade this? All right, so I'm going to choose the strike price of probably 275, right? On the break of this 275. You could probably get away with it early, the strike of 280, right? But the first sign I see of rejection, I'm selling. The first sign of rejection, I am selling it right away. If I'm trading about the same day, right? The first sign of pullback, I'm taking profit and I'm getting out of it. All right. Now the break of this 275, my target will be 280. After 280, it's going to go up towards this level right here. Now, when I choose my targets for trading, right? I'm not choosing the next line, right? I am pacing it off of price action. Price action and pebble the past few days that I've seen being respected. So that this right here, so from 275 up towards 280, and a break of 280, I'm going to try and trade this up towards this wick right here of 283.50 area. See, it hits it right here, right? If that whole pebble right here is a respectable pebble, respectable level. And now the break of 284, right? I'm going up towards probably this right here, this top of this wick, 287, $3 higher, and then 290. That's how I choose my targets for my trades. Any questions?
When you say first sign of rejection, let's say you're looking at the 3-minute and it breaks your level, are you, when you say rejection, are you when it comes back down and let's say breaks the 9 EMA or that level that just broke? You want to see?
If I'm trading the same day, right? I'm taking it right away. Same day. If I'm trading a half size or higher, I'm taking it right away. I'm not paying for the 9 or whatnot. If I'm trading on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I will pay for the 9 to break. If I'm trading the same day, you don't have time to wait for it to pull back, chop around for you, head up, head back down, If I'm trading the same day, half size or heavier, I'm taking profit right away. I might leave, a small size, but I am taking off my intended profit right away.
That makes sense.
Now trading Monday, Tuesday, or trading a date that has 3 days or more on it, Now, you could day trade it longer. Trading Thursday and trading Sunday, that it is going to burn you on a pullback. Now, let me show you this chart. All right, let me go in a little bit here. So today's trade for me, right? So let's go to the hourly first. All right, let's draw some lines here only, right? So let's start off with these wicks right here. Like this blue. All right. Start with that first. And then we can start right around here. Make this one blue as well. All right, now let's go in a little bit. And we can say this 225 area, I like. Whole number. It's been hit, one, two, three, 4, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times, and broke through right there. All right. On the upside, let's go with this 243. Let's go with, I like 243. Now, I'm choosing 243 here, not 245, not 240, because tomorrow I would scalp the break of 243 up. All right, so that's there. Now, this 234 level is a key level here. Go down a little right here. All right, if you see it right here. Today, and the pre-market, I just ran through the BABA, right? And I said, I'm not going to trade it until the break of 234. Here's why. Here's why. Look at this. It hits it, back up. Hits it, back up. Right here. It's this. Where am I? Right here. Sorry. All right. So here, breaks through. It holds it. It holds it right here. Holds it. Wicks it. Holds it. Wicks it. Here it hangs out around here. Right. Respects it. Respects it. Wick. Here's a strong level. There's 234, not 235. It's 234. All right. What happened today with me, all right, is I heard Charlie say, China's kind of do restrictions on the BABA. So I saw her dropping. I was like, you know what? It's Thursday. If she breaks through this 235 area, she's going to drop down towards 230 easily. All right. The next whole number. All right. But I was so focused on the drop, I didn't even think about support levels. I hopped in here, I was green, and then I eventually did that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. And I was like, you know what? I think I'm wrong here. And I hopped out. Now, whenever you guys will see, whenever you take a trade without a proper plan ahead of time, without respecting the charting you've done ahead of time, right? You will, a majority of the time, take a loss. A majority of the time. You might catch 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10, 3 out of 10, but I'm guarantee you 7 out of 10, you will get it wrong. Now, trading is 3 parts. Trading is 3 parts. It's planning. Planning includes charting. Help you play ahead of time. If BABA breaks 234, I'm going to trade it down towards 230, 226 area. All right. That's your preparing for the trade, planning it, right? Planning your levels, finding your levels, and how you're going to trade it, right? Second part of trading is execution. All right, my plan was to break of 234. I'm gonna trade it down towards 230. All I thought about was my profit side today, right? I didn't have a plan for being wrong. My plan for being wrong should have been 236, because you see right here, right? It respects it here throughout. All this from here out. Look at this. That whole level right here, it hits it, it respects it, it respects it, it respects it, it respects it. Pre-market, it drops down to it, it holds it. Hands a wick underneath it, no big deal. Here, start the day off, it goes under for a second and holds it. So my stop loss should have been the break of 236. I didn't have it only. I was too focused on profit of that drop, right? So you need to have a plan. The third part of trading is journaling, right? You have to know what you did wrong. What I did wrong was I hopped in early, right? I hopped in early and I had no plan for the trade. I held throughout this climb just thinking, you know what? It's bad news. It has to drop. It has to drop. It has to drop. But no, stocks respect price action, not your opinion. Any questions? Anybody? Should we do some more charting?
Yeah, Zeke, can you check out Amazon or Google?
I will do Amazon, but I'm not gonna do Google because she's not a easy hold. So let me just do
Okay.
here for you first here. All right. Amazon. 3-year weekly chart. We go up to the highs of 35.52 right there. We go to the lows right here. All right, then we go to the top down. All right, so what do we have here? Let's go with this 3,400 level. Let's go with 3,200 level. There. Let's go with this level right here. This 2,900. Right there. 3,000. You have to do 3,000 because that's a big number. If you see here, it holds it on a few weekly candles throughout. It holds it on the weeklies. That's all I'm gonna draw on that chart right there. Let's go in a little bit more. Look at the daily chart now. I'm not gonna draw under this 2,800. All right. Let me zoom in here. See what we see here. All right. I see one level right here. This 2,500 is strong. Up to 3,320 right there. $30.50 right there. Key level. What's we have here? 31.50. Yeah, I see it here. I see it here. Boom, right there. Let's go back in because it's a lot of what's there. Right? Let's look at it here now. Any levels that are standing out? Go with this. Right around here, I like. Make this one yellow. If you have any questions, guys, on why I'm choosing something, ask me. All right, now right here. So this line as well, and I'm gonna show here. I'm actually gonna point out why I'm actually choosing this 3350 area here. All right, so you see here, one time, wicked it. Get a little closer here for you guys. So right here. So here it holds it. Here it hits on the wick, drops back down. Here it hangs out there. Here again, wick, hits it, respects it, respects it, respects it, respects it throughout. So that's a key break for me there. All right. Just do a quick glance here. We have this 2950 as well. Stands out. And we could do this 3370 area. I would trade as well. A break of that up towards 3500. I would trade that myself. All right, so I try and draw lines that I would trade. All right, let's get a little closer for the 30-day 1 hour. And I don't see anything else that's standing out that I would try and trade, that I would be watching out for. All right, any questions yet? All right, so you see here, we are in a trading zone right now of between 2,900 and 3,500. Let's say 3,400 is the range of right now. So she hits the bottom of the range, heads back up, and it's inside the range. I don't see any trend lines. I don't see any patterns either. So, any questions here?
Z, do you look for trend lines and patterns under like the daily, like let's say the 30-minute chart or hourly chart, or you try to stick to?
Yes, no. If I see a flag, if I see some sort of trend line on the closer time frame, I'm drawing that in the pre-market, like here. Here's one right here. You know, you have this line right here, and draw it up. There. That's one right there, and we might have one on the way down as well. See what we get. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. There you go. Cool. So for tomorrow, the break of 3150 is a big break. She's breaking the trend line. She's breaking a key support level, right? If there's volume there tomorrow morning, right, on that break of 3150 area, right, she's gonna kind of fly up. If there's a volume there. Any questions? All right. All righty, guys. Thank you for. Oh, what's this question? I see one. I have to jump off. All right. Hi, guys. Hope that helped you guys out. I'll see you guys in the morning, guys. Stay green, everybody.
Thanks a lot, Z.
Thanks, Z.
Have a good night.
Have a great night, man.